Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Alrighty, so tonight we've got another big night on with another 4090 rig coming up. We're going to be building Steven's PC first, and then we're going to be building Blake's PC. Let's get started with this first one. So we've got, all the way down there, we've got an i7 13700K. We've got a free optical USB drive that I'm chucking in for the customer. We've got a Z790 Aorus Elite AX motherboard. So quite a good motherboard. Pretty much all the motherboards that support DDR5 memory are really good motherboards. We've got a Kraken X63 cooler to go with our case. We've got some DDR5 memory here. We've got a Thermaltake 750 watt power supply to power everything. We've got a Crucial P5 500GB and a Crucial P3 1TB going into this. So we're just going to use my GT710 for this, so we're not going to run any gaming benchmarks or anything like that. We're just going to build the PC and get it set up for Windows. If Steven wants it. Anyway, rant over there, but that was another Ryan. Yeah, 38. So what have we got here? We've got an exciting build here tonight. So we've got the same motherboard from last night, and we've got the CNVI E-key to go with it. So we'll make sure we're on full screen tonight for me installing that. We've got an i9 12900KF, a 1TB NVMe SSD, a Crucial P1. We've got a heap of white RGB fans, and our Deepcool LS720WH cooler. This is the new Deepcool cooler that comes in white that looks pretty nice, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. And then over here we have the same RTX 3090 and power supply from last night. So normally that's So, thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all tomorrow in the next video.